Hello everyone, this is Moisiba. Today we are going to learn example 1 of chapter 3. So let's begin to make mathematics easy. Look at here, write all the factors of 68. Okay, so according to rule, 1 is a common factor of all, and the multiple, this one, number itself is a factor. Now just look at the board. It's very easy. 1 multiply 68, we have got 68. Okay, this number will be increased and this number will be decreased. If we make it double, then we will divide by 2. So we will have 34 will come here, 68. Okay, now just see here, 3 we can take. If we divide 68 by 3, we will have the number output in decimal, so we cannot take. Okay, now by 4 if we do it, so you can see here, by 4, so we will have 17. Okay, now you can see here 68. So factors you can see 1, 2, and one more thing, we cannot take number in this way. Okay, because if you have taken one time this way, so reverse order will not be accepted. Okay, clear? So factors are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68 already. Okay, 68 already. Clear? Got my point? 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68 already I told you according to rules. Okay, so now let's solve another example. Now example 2. Okay, find the factors of 36. So we will use the same method. According to rules, 1 is a factor of 36, common factor of all the numbers, and 36 itself is a factor of 36. This means 36 is also a factor of this number according to rules. Now we will find factors. So 1 multiply 36, we will have 36. Okay, so here we will increase, here we will decrease. Suppose we have taken double it. Okay, so we will divide by 2 and we will have number over here. So 36 divided by 2, 18 will come, 18. Now 36. Here 3 we take 3. See, listen, we will never take it means we will never take that kind of divisor by which if we divide 36 we will have the output in decimal. So we will never accept decimal number over here. Understood? Now look at here. If we are taking 3, so 3 we will divide this. 3 1 1 3 2. So 12 will come. 36. Okay. Now next 4. Okay. 4 is also a 4 can be taken. Now 4 divide 4 9. Okay. 36. 5 can be taken. No. 6 can be taken. Yes. 6 6 36. Okay. Now 7. No. 8. No. Okay, and 9 already we have taken. We cannot take reverse order. 10 we cannot take. 11 12 already taken. No. 13 no. 14 no. 15 no. Okay, 16 no. 17 no. 18 yes. 18 already we have taken, but so we will not take. 19 no. 20 no. Okay, so understood this way. So factors are factor of 36, 2, 3, 4, 6, Okay, now here 9, 12, 18, now 36. Okay, this way we have done this one example. Now example 3, write first 5 multiples of 6. Very easy, you can see solution. What? Look at here, method. According to rule, multiple of 6, it means every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, so you can see over here 6 is a multiple. Okay, so how can we find out the multiples of 6? First 5, 6 multiply 1, 6, 6 multiply 2, 12, 6 multiply 3, 18, 6 multiply 4, 24, 6 multiply 5, 30. Okay, so this way we have found the multiples of first 5 multiples of 6. You can see over here 6, 12, 18 and 24 and 30. Okay, so finding multiples, I think much more easy. So next time we will solve some more questions. So bye children.